Okay, hello everyone. Hi, how are you? So this is Kei and this is the 14th of December 2022 on Wednesday. So let me see. Can you hear me okay, everyone? All right. Good to see you. Good to see you again. Thank you so much for joining. Okay. So let me start now the analysis and see what's happening in the market today. Oh, so before I start, just wanted to make one quick announcement that the number of my YouTube subscriber became over 60K today. So thank you so much. I got many messages in the comments. So thank you so much. Let me switch screen. So yeah, thank you so much. Oh, I see many comments. All right. Yeah, TSM, thanks so much for your comments. All right. Jitendra also, thank you so much for your comment. Yeah. Wish you 75K by the end of 2023. We will see. Yeah, thanks so much. Yeah, so I just keep going. So yeah, I hope we can continue this journey together in this community. Alright, Kevin, thanks for joining. Alright, good to see you. Alright, MD, thanks so much for a comment also. Alright, Master of, thank you. Oscar, thank you so much for a comment too. Alright, Rajesh. Michael, thanks so much. More power to the 100K. Yes, so the next goal is 100K. So since I achieved 60K now, I think I will be doing a special live stream. And since it reached way before the year end, I'm thinking to do a special live stream sometime next week. So I will select the date and time and let everybody know about that event. So I will be doing a special long live stream, long hours live stream. And we may be able to take trade together, or we check charts together. I run the Forex Tester, and just to celebrate, I will be doing a special live stream like that. All right. Yeah, Razmik also, thank you so much for a comment. All right, home on TikTok, SAS and K, Augustine, Buddha. Thanks so much for joining. Alright, Tango, Tawan, SAS, thanks so much. Alright, Bakod, Rajesh, yep. Thanks so much, your comments. Alright, Starry, how are you? Nat, thanks for joining also. Ross, thanks so much, your comment too. Can you please check gold? Okay, let me check gold and some other charts together today. Okay, so tonight there will be FOMC in the US. So let's see what's happening right now before that big event in the news, in the markets today. Alright, Mark Wong, thanks so much for a comment. Alright, Brian, thanks so much. Alex also, thanks so much. Alright, Muhammad, KK, Archback, thanks so much too. Alright. Yeah, Augustine, thank you too. Alright. Ichimoku, thanks for joining. Okay. Alright, Daniel, thanks so much. Please check GU. Alright. Okay, so now let me check the news. Let me check the news first, just as a reminder to everyone. And then we will check some charts. So here is the news website. Today's 14th December, Wednesday, and FOMC will be here. So far we've had AUD, JPY, and UK news, and the market has been ranging right now It's retracing right now and choppy in the lower time frames. So yeah, before the big news, big event like that, the markets may be a bit spiky. So let me check the pairs. So okay, Euro USD is continuously bullish above Tenkan Sen, continuously bullish, and Euro AUD has been ranging. Let's see, Euro Pound still waiting for the break of the support 0.8546 level. And yeah, let's see, Euro JPY has been still ranging in the Kumo. Euro CAD looks good. Euro CAD just keeps going up ever since down here 25th of August. It has been going up and up, and it's reaching towards 1.460, the round number. So yeah, Euro CAD, this one's nice, but the lower time frames are very choppy, especially the CAD pairs. Recently, lower time frames very choppy. If you look at the 1 hour time frame, yeah, this is way too choppy. So this is uptrending, but it may be traced back very heavy. So if you want to trade the CAD pair, then you have to do the good risk management. Otherwise, you can lose big in this market. So, and let's see, Euro Swiss franc has been ranging, USD JPY, this one is bearish. So I'm still expecting the market breaks the support 133.56. Today this is downtrending since Kumo, Senko span A is down, and Kijun Sen is pointing down, and Chikou span below the candles. So it's bearish. And the USD CAD has been ranging exactly, and USD Swiss franc is bearish. So yeah, USD Swiss franc is also good to monitor, along with the USD JPY so far. It broke the support around 0.9357 and continuously going down. Yeah, so it's bearish. The market is going down to the next target, which is 0.9194. So let me check the lower time frame, 1 hour. So 1 hour is currently bearish because price is below the Tenkan Sen. And Kijun Sen is pointing down, but one thing is the Chikou span. Chikou span is touching, so the market may be bullish or range continuously. So long term, this is bearish, so I think it goes down in the long term, but in this 1 hour time frame, it may continue to be range. So if you sell right now, then your stop loss should be above the resistance level in 1 hour or near Kijun Sen level, and keep holding and expect the market breaks the support. Yeah, for me, I usually take trades based on the 5 minute, but since Chikou span still touching, I don't trade. And 30-minute chart also shows its range. Kumo Senko span B is down. So Senko span B is down, but Senko span A is flat, and Kijun Sen is flat. So this is considered to be range. So no trade, no chance. And here is Pound USD. As per request, Pound USD daily time frame shows it's now flat Kijun Sen. So that means the market may reverse back to the Tenkan Sen. Yeah, it may go back to the Tenkan Sen. And 1 hour looks like this. So 1 hour is now ranging after this a big spike due to yesterday's news in the US. Now it's been ranging now. So this is big inside bar. So my expectation is bullish on this one. I think the market goes up continuously, but we have to wait for the price. As the price goes up this way, Kumo turns bullish, and Kijun Sen turns up like this, and Chikou span has to be above candles, and that will be a great timing to buy. Otherwise, the market may keep ranging, and you may not be able to run profits. Also, there will be FOMC tonight, so I think we have to stay away and come back tomorrow will be better. So pound USD has been ranging. Basically, all the time frames are ranging today. Like there's no big trends. Pound JPY is continuously ranging. After the P wave breakout, it was resisted on 169.02, and it's going backwards now. So yeah, this is still ranging market. Let me check 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour shows it's bearish, so you can follow 1 hour trend. Looks like the previous support level on 167.08 has been broken, and the market tested a couple of times here, and this is bearish. So yeah, I think pound JPY is now bearish. Oh, okay, 167.08 is the neckline of this head and the shoulders. So that means the market is bearish. So I think sell is the right call in this market. So that's a pound JPY. And pound CAD also has been bullish above Tenkan Sen, but Kijun Sen is now flat, so that means it may reverse. Also, since this is CAD pair, the lower time frames are very choppy. So for example, 1 hour looks like this. So it is a bullish wave, but sometimes we see almost like Y wave, structure. And now this looks like P wave. So market structure changes over time. So this is a very spiky market, as we can tell by the waves in 1 hour. Also, if you look at every single candlestick has wicks up and down. So that also means that this is a choppy market. Also, there are so many doji candles. There are so many doji like this one, or yeah, here too, pin bar doji. So when you see this, so many doji candles along the way, the market is really choppy. And recently, for the last couple of hours, the market has been also very spiky. So I think spread in the broker may also be very big in this pair. So yeah, let's see. Let me continue to check other charts, other markets. Pound AUD, so I think I said this one last week. I was expecting the market breaks resistance, and I thought it broke, but the close price became exactly on the resistance, 1.8198, and then it started to retrace. So this is range on a daily time frame and downtrend in the lower time frames. So let me check 1 hour. So 1 hour is showing bearish. So if you are an intraday trader or the scalper, then sell will be the right call. You can also see the Kumo is down, Kijun Sen down, Tenkan Sen down, and Chikou span below candles. So this is bearish. I think this downtrend will be continuous. You can also draw the descending trend line like this way, and as long as market is below the trend line, this is also bearish. However, again, daily shows its range. Daily time frame is ranging since Kijun-sen flat, a bit retracing. So it may go up soon, or it may be ranging continuously. I mean, it may not really going down in this case. So yeah, I think 1 hour is tradable based on this trend, but not for the higher time frame traders. And let me see the other pairs. AUD USD broke the resistance yesterday, and then today's inside bar. So this one is bullish, but since Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen flat, the market is ranging to retracing. So let me see. 1 hour also shows that this is range, but it may be bullish. Still, the price above Kijun-sen and Kumo Senko span A is pointing up. So if the market goes up this way, it marks the next N wave bullish, breaks the resistance and goes up in N wave, and then Chikou span will be above candles. Yeah, when you see this, I think that will be a good chance to buy. But in this case, since Kijun-sen flat, it may continue to go down also. So we have to wait for the breakout of the resistance level on 0.6881 and look for the buying opportunities. But usually when there's a big spike like this, like yesterday in the news in the US, after this usually the market tends to be range, or market tends to consolidate. Yeah, so I'm simply waiting for the next stable trends to happen. Okay, so let's see. So here is the next one, the AUD-CAD. This one is bullish now, above Tenkan-sen. But again, this is CAD pair. So CAD pairs are very choppy in the lower time frames. So 1 hour looks like this. Yeah, 1 hour is not a beautiful uptrend. So this is a bit difficult to trade. Chikou span almost touching in 1 hour time frame. So yeah, the market may retrace. Yeah, so okay, I just noticed that in terms of the price action, not about the Ichimoku, but about the price action, I just noticed that there was an inside bar, and this inside was broken bearish first, and then reversed in the wave. And now this is on I wave bullish. So reverse in the wave was downtrend confirmation, and the market retraced back to Kijun-sen. Usually when Kijun-sen flat, the market tends to reverse back to Kijun-sen. So that's exactly what happened here, and now it's bullish. So yeah, simply we have to wait for the breakout of the resistance from yesterday on 0.9331 to be tradable. Yeah, otherwise it may be range. And when you see a Kijun-sen flat in a couple of hours, then the market also may retrace back to Kijun-sen. So when you see Kijun-sen flat, next time you can sell as a scalper and target to the Kijun-sen. But if you are more towards the day to swing style like myself, then we have to wait for the breakout of the resistance and look for the buying edge when it happens. So that's my view on AUD-CAD. So yeah, AUD-JPY ranging. AUD-Swiss franc has been ranging too choppy. Lower time frames is also very choppy. Like 1 hour looks like this. 1 hour shows big inside bar happening right now. So we have to wait for the break of this inside bar. So let me just mark like this and wait for that breakout towards either direction. So let me check some other charts. So here is the CADJPY. Okay, so CADJPY, hold on, let me delete these lines. Okay, first the daily time frame. So daily is still bearish because it slightly broke the support. It slightly broke the support and Kumo itself is down. So I think the market breaks bearish and continues to go down. Also, the price has been resisted by the Tenkan-sen many times in the past. So this is bearish. Okay, I get the comment about this pair, CADJPY. So John says, looks bearish on the daily. 4 hour looks somewhat bearish. Kumo thin, Chikou span close to candles. Okay, yeah. So let me check the 4 hour also. Yeah, 4 hour Kumo is really thin. That's right. So that means it may reverse back to the Kijun Sen and then finally start to go down. Yeah, and 1 hour shows it's now flat Kijun Sen and inside bar happening again right now. So here's the inside. Let me just use this one to draw. So I will be waiting for the inside bar breakout and sell. If this happens, if the breakout happens before FOMC tonight, I mean like within the next 30 minutes or 1 hour, if this happens, I think I will trade. And hopefully before the FOMC, I set the break-even line. But if we continue to range today, then I'm not gonna trade. So yeah, let me check some other markets. And CD Swiss franc is still bearish. So I think the market breaks the support 0.6818 and goes down to the next support 0.6745. So like I mentioned last time, my view remains the same. This one is bearish. I think the market keeps going down this way. So yeah. And Kumo is not too thin, so it's okay. Daily Kumo is getting thicker and longer. So that means this downtrend is stable. So that's a good sign. You can use the Kumo shape, Kumo thickness to see if this is stable or not. Sometimes you see a very thin Kumo, and that is not a stable downtrend. Like for example, in the past, there was a thin Kumo like this, and I think this was due to this big drop. The Kumo was still very young, very short. So when the Kumo looking like this, although the market broke the support, it may reverse. And 4 hour, at that time Kumo looks like this. So 4 hour Kumo is okay, but not the daily chart. So that means you can follow the 4 hour time frame, but you cannot trust the daily time frame direction. So this is about the multiple time frames that I use by Ichimoku, but that's one of the examples. So then on a daily time frame, the market reversed and then finally started to go down. And then Kumo is getting thicker and longer, so this is a good sign that this is stable downtrend. And Swiss franc JPY has been ranging now. No trend. On a daily, let me see 1 hour. 1 hour is still range. Right now it's consolidating, but overall it's bearish. So we can wait for the Chikou span break bearish, and also Kijun Sen points down, and then look for the setting edge when this happens. Okay, so that's my view on the Forex markets on my watch list. So now let me check gold. Okay, let me check the gold. So here's the daily time frame. So for the daily time frame, I thought it broke the resistance yesterday, and then the close price became exactly on the previous resistance, 1809.88. So my view is bullish, but I'm still waiting for the exact timing to buy on this one. Today is doji, and there will be FOMC, so the market may be choppy. So still waiting for the news to happen, and the news may cause the breakout of the resistance of 1824.55, and then if the breakout happens, then I will come back tomorrow, and we'll look for the buying edge tomorrow. But before the breakout, the market may range and choppy in the lower time frames. And when the market's like this, even if you buy right now, the market may not really go up towards the direction, and you might have to keep holding your trades without any profits. So psychologically, for me, it's not really good. So I prefer to stay away, and until the market exactly has the right entry timing on this one. So that's gold analysis. Okay. Yeah. So let me now come back to some comments. Alright, again, thanks so much everyone for joining today. Great to see you again. Okay, please check Euro CAD 4 hour. Euro CAD 4 hour, let me see. 4 hour looks like this. Euro CAD 4 hour looks like this. So this is Kijun Sen flat, Tenkan Sen flat. So this is in the middle of the retracement. I think the market retraces back to Tenkan Sen or Kijun Sen in the 4 hour. Also, you can draw the trend line, and the market is supported by the trend line like this. So as long as it's above the trend line, it's bullish. But then this is retracing back now, so you have to wait for the next pushback on Tenkan Sen or Kijun Sen or the trend line. And then look for the buying edge. Or if the market simply breaks the resistance on this candlestick today, then you can start to look for the buying edge after the breakout. So it's either you wait for the breakout of the resistance or wait for the pushbacks on one of these levels. So that's my view on Euro CAD. Okay, Blackwater, thanks so much for joining. Good to see you here. Alright, SMG also, thanks so much for joining. Oh, you've been watching since 2021. Thanks so much for following me so long time. Okay. Yeah, UAE has been very cold these days, yes. Especially when you go out, you have to wear long sleeve. You have to wear, you don't need a coat yet, but you have to wear the long sleeve because after sun goes down, the temperature drops very much. Okay. Alright. Hello, thanks so much for joining. Are there many people who apply KTS to crypto market? I'm a crypto trader and I want to subscribe to KTS Academy. Yeah, there are some crypto traders in the academy, and it works when it's trending. But right now cryptos are ranging. I think even Bitcoin is ranging now. So, oh, it's bullish now. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Daily, okay, daily is going into the Kumo. So lower time frames may be choppy. And 4 hour is now inside. So you have to wait for the inside break and then look for buy afterwards. That will be here. This level breakout. But the KTS is about the trend following style. And when there is no trends in the markets, then you can't use my strategy to trade. Because my strategy is built by Forex. And and myself trades only Forex. And I don't trade cryptos. So yeah, that's my opinion. But if you think you can learn something, then you're more than welcome to join, because I not only teach about how to enter trades, how to exit trades, but also the risk management and also psychology management topics I also do in the KTS Academy and the GTS class. Okay. Alright, Race, thanks so much for joining. View of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Alright. So I assume that you're from India. Let me check. So first, a Nifty daily time frame. Okay, daily is still ranging because Kijun Sen still flat and Tenkan Sen is going down. So it broke the Tenkan Sen today, but this may not sort of be trustable. You have to wait for the breakout of the resistance 18667.05 and then look for the buying edge. But so tomorrow Kijun Sen remains flat, and 2 days after, on Friday, you will see Kijun Sen up, and Senko Span A might be bullish, and Friday the market may go up, but tomorrow may be ranged, and Friday may be bullish, and next week the market may continue to be bullish. But for now, you have to stay away for the breakout. So that's Nifty. And Bank Nifty has been bullish. Okay, so this one is renewing higher and higher. And Kumo is very nice. Kumo thickness is very nice, very thick and long. So this is stable uptrend. So the market, looks like the market reached to the run number of 44,000. And now it's going up to the next run number, which is 45,000. So let me set this one to 45,000. And see if the market reaches all the way to that level. But with this Kumo thickness, it can reach. It may be reaching to that level, 45,000. So price has been above Tenkan Sen. No sign of the retracement. So as a trend follower, you simply follow uptrend until it ends. So that's Bank Nifty chart. But basically what I say is universal among any markets, whether it's Forex or index or stock market or cryptos. So these are just some examples of my strategy. Okay. Resmank, thanks for joining. Welcome here. Okay, Raymond, can you check Swiss franc JPY? Yeah, Swiss franc JPY, we just checked it just earlier. But I know there are so many new members here, so let me check again. So Swiss franc JPY, daily time frame is range as per Ichimoku, because Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, so we can't see which way it's going on the daily time frame. And 1 hour time frame is bearish. 1 hour Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, and Chikou span touching, but this is bearish. And in the next 20 minutes, when this candlestick close, Kijun Sen will point down very much, like this. So you can wait for the next 20 minutes, and next 1 hour may be bearish, and the market may break. Market may start to break the support this way. So my view is bearish on this market. Okay. Okay, Jitendra says your subscriber chart is very bullish because all the 5 lines are pointing upwards. What is the next target? When you see all the markets bullish, then yeah, that will be the next run number is a target. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Let me fit this into page. Sorry, I didn't show the right side. I was in a full screen on this trading view, so I'm sorry. Let me adjust it like this. So yeah, it's either next run number or the next resistance as the target. Okay, next question is NZD USD. What is your analysis? All right, NZD USD. I think it's bullish, but let me check. So here's a daily time frame. So daily time frame still bullish because above Tenkan Sen, but since Kijun Sen flat, this is in the middle of the retracement. So the market may retrace back to the Tenkan Sen and goes up. So Tenkan Sen can be the support. The market has been supported by the Tenkan Sen a couple of times before. So yeah, this is bullish so far. And let's see, 4 hour is range. It has retracing back to the Kijun Sen, also the previous resistance. So it's this is ranging now to retracing. So when you start to see bullish, you may want to wait for the breakout of 0.6463, the resistance of one previous candlestick in the 4 hour. And if it breaks, then check 1 hour. And when you check 1 hour, that breakout, what it looks like is it goes up this way, and you may see Kumo bullish, and Kijun Sen remains bullish, and Tenkan Sen has to be together with the Kijun Sen. Right now Tenkan Sen below Kijun Sen, so this is ranging. So when it starts to be bullish, you wait for the Tenkan Sen will be together with the Kijun Sen, and then Chikou span should be above the candles, and that will be a great timing to buy. Yeah, otherwise I think it just keeps ranging along the way. Yeah, so let's see what FOMC brings tonight. All right. Yeah, let's see. Fit says, do you use any oscillator with Ichimoku? No, I don't. I only use Ichimoku and price actions. Okay, may you check Euro JPY please? All right, Euro JPY is daily chart is in the Kumo, so lower time frames may be spiky, but for the last 2 days, the market has been bearish. So let me check 1 hour. And 1 hour is near the support. So if you want to sell, wait for the breakout of 143.47 and follow downtrend. But then there will be a new support down here on 143.16. So you may not be able to get big pips in this one, but maybe you can scalp. and exit and close the trades in maybe 10 or 20 pips. I think that will be possible for this one. Okay. Yeah, TSM, thanks so much. Okay. Alright, Starry. Ethereum and Bitcoin. Yeah, so Bitcoin I covered just earlier. I think I'm reading some old comments, but let me, just in case. So 1 hour is inside bar. This big candlestick's resistance and the support has been including all the future candles. So this is inside bar. And when you see this big inside, you have to wait for the breakout of that inside. So simply wait for the breakout of 18104.33, and it may happen at the FOMC tonight. We will see. And you can follow the 4-hour uptrend. 4 hour is bullish now, but because Kijun-sen flat, Tenkan-sen flat, when the market reaches to resistance, it may reverse. Because Ichimoku is all about the equilibrium, and equilibrium is about the buyer and seller's ratio. When you see Kijun-sen flat, Tenkan-sen flat, and Kumo flat also, that means buyers and sellers are 50-50 level. So, and when it's 50-50, it's range in definition by Ichimoku, and the market may not break the resistance. So that's why I think the market will be close to the resistance and then reverse. But that will be for the short term, within today. I think the long term, the market breaks resistance and continue to be bullish. So that's a Bitcoin. And let me also check the Ethereum. Ethereum is also in the Kumo now. And 4 hour shows, again, big inside. So basically the same as Bitcoin. Not a big change. I think this is same as Bitcoin. Wait for the breakout of the resistance. And plan to buy after this. Okay, so let me continue to check few more comments until the end of live today. Okay, Manish says if gold breaks resistance, then where will you keep your stop loss for swing, and if want to intraday, when then where will be the stop loss? So gold, right? Yeah, gold is about to break the resistance, and it may happen at FOMC tonight. But let me see. Daily shows like this. So Kumo is up, Kijun-sen is up, so this is bullish. I think the market goes up continuously. And so once the market breaks the resistance, then I think it goes up to 1856.75, which is the next resistance level, and then up to 1879.15 is my projection. Yeah, for the stop loss, if you are on intraday, then you can take it. You can take the 1 hour pushbacks or even 30-minute pushbacks for your stop losses. Yeah, gold in 5 minutes is very spiky. So when I take a trade, I think I will use M15 for my entry chance, and I will keep holding. So when I take gold, that will be for long term. So I don't think I will close my trade in a couple of days or a few weeks. As long as it goes, I keep holding and keep trading the profits. So let's see if the breakout happens tonight on gold. Okay. Oh, hello Connor. Thanks so much for joining. Long time. Good to see you again. Alright. And Sahar, thanks so much for a comment. Okay, in Win, thanks so much. Okay, TSM DAX index. Okay, let me see. German 40, this is still bullish because Kumo is up, Kijun Sen is up, and Chikou span above the candles. So I think the market breaks the resistance and goes up continuously. But one thing is that I think I said this before, you see this red barrier is the resistance zone. So resistance zone is created by these two different resistance levels. So once the market breaks the first resistance, then it may range until it breaks the second resistance. So yeah, that's the projection, but this is bullish. The market is definitely bullish, so I think it just keeps going up along the way. Okay, Kunkel says, Keisan, what is your take on CAT JPY? Yeah, CAT JPY is bearish. It just broke the support. It's breaking the support. CAT JPY on the daily. So this is bearish. My view is downtrend on this one, because it has been resisted by the Kijun Sen, or sorry, Tenkan Sen, the blue one, many times in the past. So I think this is downtrend. Downtrend will be continuous. And let me also check 1 hour. 1 hour shows its inside bar. So if you want to sell on this one, you have to wait for the breakout of the support. Yeah, before this live stream, I took a sell on CAT JPY, but closed my trade with a loss because I wasn't able to set the break even before this live stream. So I closed my trade, but my view is bearish on this one still. It's downtrend. Yeah, I think Bitcoin's up still. Right. Senko span A in the daily chart. Yeah, I think Bitcoin is bullish overall. Simply wait for the engulfing breakout in 1 hour. Okay. Alright, I always see you analyzing. Can you show us a trade you actually took? Yeah, if you check my monthly performance review, then I explain every single trade on the month. Exactly which one I took the trade and how I took trade, which price levels, enter trade, exit trades. You can see all these trades in my monthly performance review. So in December, towards the end of December or in the beginning of January, I will be doing my yearly performance review. Yeah, there will be a big news in the US today, right? On Nifty, how Kijun Sen will go up on Friday. What's the calculation? Oh, if you look at the, if you know about the calculation of the Kijun Sen, you will know. Yeah, Kijun Sen calculation, it's taken 26 candles in the past, high and low. So if you read the previous 26 candles, high and low, and then you know exactly what date, exactly which hour Kijun Sen point up or down in the future. And this is not about the prediction, this is for sure it happens, because this is due to calculation. Okay, Lekan says, how many trades did you take in a month? In average, I take 7 or 8 trades. Yeah, up to 10 trades I take. Okay. Oh, Ellie, thank you for your comment. Actually, in my Ichimoku community, I don't share my trades, but in KTS Academy, I do. So in my KTS Academy, which is this one, you can also see that in the below description. KTS Academy and the GTS, I share my trades, but Ichimoku community is to study the original teachings of Ichimoku. The month of December topic is about the Kumo. So after this, in about 5 minutes, there will be Ichimoku membership, and I will be talking about the Kumo strategy. Okay, so I think I will end the live for now. So I do see a few more comments, but I'm sorry, I have to go. So I couldn't cover them, but please come back to the live next time, and please ask me that question next time. Okay, so yeah, I think looks like markets are quiet because of the before FOMC tonight in the US. So let's see what the news brings to the market. So for now, if you're not trading, you can just leave chart and come back tomorrow. Because usually at the news, the market spikes very much. And also, not only the market spikes, but also spread gets very big. Sometimes the spread on the broker goes up to 5 or 7, 8 pips. And you don't see the candlestick touch on your stop loss, but you will lose your position because of the spread gaining very big at the news. So yeah, I think that's a risk to trade. So simply stay away and come back tomorrow is I think it's also good. So again, thank you so much everyone. And also again, thank you so much for your continuous support on my YouTube channel. So today, it became over 60k subscribers. So my next goal is to reach 100k. So again, thanks so much. And for those Ichimoku community members, I will see you in about 5 minutes. Okay, so until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Bye for now. Mata ne. Thanks so much.